The thruster controls are located on the left. Turn them on by pressing the button in the middle for a second. Then immediately the back one will work right away. The front one, you have to press this button here to lower it. And then that one's ready to go. Makes the boat go left, makes the boat go right. And it's going to continue to beep at you to let you know that it's down. The back one, if you just press it on its own, the steering wheel will turn. So you need to hold on to the steering wheel while doing it. When you're done with the thrusters, you press the up button. And it shuts off automatically once it's up. And that's pretty much all there is to it. The engine doesn't need to be on, but it can be, and it is what charges the batteries. The battery for the front thruster is located in the corner seat, and that tells you how much power you've got in the battery. This is an on-off switch. That's pretty much all you need to know for that. And then the back one is located where the original battery was. And again, there's a voltmeter and a switch. It's all hooked up to the motor, so it all charges both batteries from the motor. Once the system is on, you can also use this remote, which does the exact same thing. Buttons here and here, here and here. Exact same thing as these two big knobs. If you have it on but haven't lowered the front thruster yet and just want to shut it off, you can just press the up button and it'll shut off automatically. The last thing that you should know is the manufacturer says short bursts of between 3 and 5 seconds is what you should be doing. Don't go longer than that because it could burn out the motors. But I don't think you'll need to.